Hi everyone, it's Miss Rosania Harvey here, and I am going to show you how to animate text using layer masks in Procreate. Some parts of this video will go a little bit faster than others because I sped up some of the more repetitious parts, and then other parts you'll see in real time. The first thing you need to do is select a palette and make sure that the size of your paper allows you to have maximum layers. Choose a brush, choose a color, and then draw your image. We are doing a name reveal. I just use the word draw. And then you'll duplicate the layer that you drew on. Also putting a mask on the top layer. The bottom layer that we drew, you will change the opacity. This is your reference layer. On the layer mask, you're going to fill that mask with black, which actually hides it. And then you use white to reveal it. Choose a good brush for that so that you can do enough at a time without revealing parts you don't want to. And then after you do your first step in your layers, you're going to create a group. Click on the top mask, swipe to the left, and create a group. Now duplicate that group. Click on the layer of the second group and start revealing. A little at a time. Then you'll go back to your layers and duplicate that group. Click on the layer mask, use your white to reveal a little more. So you're going a little at a time. The pale gray image that you see is your reference image. That's actually going to get deleted. And you keep going until you've revealed the entire image. I skipped a bunch of them so that you didn't have to sit there while I did it. So you'll end up with a lot of layers, which is why in the beginning we made sure that we could have multiple layers. Keep going till you're completely revealed. We're almost getting there. And then finally, we'll finish it up. Now, scroll all the way down and you can delete the reference image. And you can hide the background color because our animation is not going to have a background. If you want a background, you can keep one, but we don't need it right now. If you do want a background color, you want it to be a part of the group. So you uncheck the box next to background color, and then you'll go under the wrench and turn on Animation Assist. When you turn on Animation Assist, it will turn groups into frames. If you don't have groups, it'll turn layers into frames. And now play with the settings. So you'll see here I'm switching between settings. I'm doing a loop, I'm doing a ping pong, and I didn't do one shot because I do want it to be a continuous animation. We'll turn these into animated GIFs. And then test it out, see if you think it goes too fast, too slow, and then it's time to export it. So you choose Animated GIF from the drop-down, and you can make some more adjustments here to make sure you like it, and that it looks how you expected it to. You can always go back. I'm changing the frames per second, and then you export. It's going to ask you where you want to go. With it, I chose to airdrop it to my laptop, but you can save it to the files on your computer or on your iPad, and then make sure you save it, and that's it.